Real Estate for Sale, Home Buyers Blog, Pros and Cons of Buying a Foreclosure, Part 2. Hey, Realtor and Area Specialist Mike and Jennifer Wrigley here, bringing you the latest real estate information. Thank you for joining us. Today, let's talk about the pros and cons of buying a foreclosure. Last time we talked about the pros. This time, let's talk about the cons. So, what are the cons of buying a foreclosure? Since foreclosures are often offered at significant discounts, you may face steep competition and bidding from other buyers. Foreclosures aren't always offered at a large discount. Homeowners in the pre-foreclosure or short sale stage may price a home higher than it's worth in the hopes of paying off the mortgage, the taxes, etc. Banks are also looking to recoup at least what's owed on the property, so they may only offer a slight discount. Now, if you're buying a foreclosure home at auction, you may have to pay cash, and that's at the day of the auction, and may not be able to inspect the home before purchase. Depending on the condition, some lenders don't offer loans for distressed properties. Condition matters. Foreclosures may need serious and costly repair. The previous owner may not have been able to afford fixes for the property and may have allowed it to fall in disrepair, is typically what we see. Foreclosures are also frequently vandalized and looted. It's not uncommon to find major appliances missing, holes kicked in the walls, and other vandalism like the air conditioner missing. Now, foreclosures also tend to sit vacant for periods of time, which causes major maintenance issues. If a home is not maintained, its pipes could freeze, vermin and bugs could settle in, and mold could grow. Now, you need to do your research. A foreclosure can have liens attached to it, which have to be cleared. If you're buying an REO, typically those are cleared before you purchase it. You also may find yourself having to pay costly old debts associated with the property. So buyer beware. Foreclosures are often sold as is, and banks aren't usually interested in making or footing the bill for repairs. And purchasing a home from a lender can be a lengthy and time-consuming process that's full of red tape. So make sure you have a qualified agent to help you get through that process. Now, do you need help finding that perfect place to live? Call us today at 916-378-4671 for a free, no-obligation consultation, or log on to www.wrigleyrealtygroup.com to start your online home search today. Give us a call. You'll be glad you did, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us.